Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to import and export data in Odoo, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So I will break down step by step process. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our Odoo platform. This is the Odoo website. So here I will click on sign up because I already have an account. I'll just click over here. Once I click over here, then it will give us the options to log in here. So access and manage your documents using Odoo. So I'll click over here, and then here you will find out I already made a couple of apps over that place. So I will click on apps again, and then here from that place, if I enter any of them, it's totally okay. So I will go with this one contact. Once I click over here, it is a Odoo platform. I think let's see what actually apps that is I created for. So we just need to be patient to complete the loading. So here let's see and wait a bit. So here you can see we have this app, so it is mainly for the CRM. So I will go onto the contact and let's see. Yes, we have a couple of contacts, so you just need to be select on of them one by one. If you click over here name, you will select it one in once. So once you're done, then here you just need to be click on actions. Once you click over here, then you can easily export these files easily. Just click over here export, and then here you can see you can specifically choose things here. Then here we already choose that avatar, then complete name, email, phone, activities, country and state. So here I will just click to the export button. Once I click over here, you can export it as CSV file also. Let's export it as CSV also. So it already been exported. So here you can see both already been exported. One is CSV and another one is XMSP. So let's open both of them and let's see what actually look like. So here you can see it, our Excel file is opening, and this is the file already been uploaded, and here you can see this is the name. So now if you feel to import this file, how you can import this one, that is really simple. You just need to click over here new, or you can just click over that place. So here actually you just need to be visit contact again, and in this gear icon button you can see the when I hover on it's called actions button. You just need to click over here, and you can see that there is an options called import record. Just click over here, and here you just need to drop or upload your file to import. Excel file and recommended as formatting is automatic, but you can also use CSV file. So you just need to upload CSV file over here. Just click over here import template for customer. So I will drag and drop my file. So I will click on upload data file. Once I click over here, it will redirect me here. So from that place I will select this file, and here actually you can see it already been imported. So here you just need to be click on re-import. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes to the import. So once it's done, then you will find out the eventual result on your Odoo platform. This is the easiest way to export any file and import a file in Odoo. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.